God, please give me something tasty. So I'm trying chai in the vending machine, and I couldn't decide for like 5 minutes. And so Irma said she would pay for me.
I paid $3 for that.
Which was so generous of her, right? And the bottle was like this, so I couldn't really see if it was chai, like what kind of chai it was. And then after it came out, it went like this. And then I was like, oh frick, it's ginger chai. I don't like ginger, okay? With cashew milk. It's freaking vegan.
Drink it.
Okay.
Hurry up, this is so difficult.
Oh, sorry.
What is her? Shut up after I paid this for you.
I feel like a child right now.
My arthritis hands can do this.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Thank you. Okay. God, please give me something tasty. Oh. It's like those Russian dolls.
It's not a Russian doll, it's a drink. It looks okay.
Oh, it actually smells like chai.
Yeah, no duh.
Ah.
Oh, God. I'll put it back.
Literally tastes like
Can I
ginger plus
try?
water. It's a waste of money. Ow!
What is that?
It tastes like ginger plus water.
Girl, you owe me $3.
Why is there yellow stuff inside? Oh, they're freaking ginger shreds.
We need to go.
I don't know if you can see, but there's like yellow stuff on the sides, and it looks like shredded ginger that you get at Ding Tai Fung. I'm so sad. It was gonna be my refreshing drink. What am I supposed to do? Drink it?
Yes, if you don't finish that by the end of the day, you're paying me $5.
I was scared, okay?
I look so bad. Ari literally
No,
came
it's
up
fine.
to me
I
and said,
look bad.
Ari came up to me and said, "Are you tired?"
I know, I
And
was
said,
there.
Why? Do I look bad? And she's like, thanks.
I know, I was there. It's fine. I don't look great either.
What's that? You think I taste something,
Okay.
and then it just goes away. Like, did I even
There's
swallow?
no creaminess. It's freaking cashew milk.
cashew milk.
It's called ginger
in
chai.
my freaking mouth.
Is it just like water?
Yeah.
It tastes like ginger water.
No, it's not even water. It's like this weird, like,
A tasteless
Fake shit.
smoothie?
Hey guys, so I felt really sluggish after school today because I had long Chinese, long Chem, and then long Java. So I was feeling really burnt out, you know, low energy. So I was gonna do some exercises with the Chem book, but not, you know, your regular after the chapter exercises. I'm gonna do some core and strengthening exercises with my Chem book as my weight because it's really heavy. Yeah, let's get started. 2, 3, 4.